Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy Decathlon gift cards easily in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for decathlon.com or decathlon.in based on your region. Then you just have to simply press the backslash and then add gift card. So what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you over here on the official Decathlon gift card page. So over here you can choose any of these occasions like Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Valentine's Day, Happy Birthday. And then you just have to scroll down and you can select whether you are buying this gift card for others or you are buying it for yourself. Afterwards, you just have to enter the amount of the gift card and then you just have to add any message. After that, you just have to select the sender's details if you have selected the option of buy for others. After providing these details, simply click on the option of save, then click on the option of buy now and make the payment. So this way you will be able to easily purchase the gift cards from the official Decathlon website in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.